Around 17, 18, I realised that I just didn't like myself. I didn't like how I looked. I was obsessed over my legs and wanting to just make them smaller. I was just losing that love for my body. Well, I kind of had already lost it. To now, so 10 years, my relationship has just strengthened, and yeah, we're now best friends and it's great. My main thing is just speaking to myself kindly and being my own best friend. So I always think, when I've got that negative voice in my head, would I ever let someone speak to me like that? And the answer is no. Would I ever speak to someone like that? Would I ever say, oh, her legs are really big? I would never, ever, ever think that. So why am I saying it to myself? Strip back your body and just remember it for what it's doing for you and appreciating the functions of it. So I always go through from like top to bottom and think, thank you brain for thinking, thank you arms for cuddling, thank you heart for beating and keeping me alive, and thank you feet for holding us all up. Like, that is, for me, so important, instead of just going, oh yeah, your legs look good. You may feel empowered wearing makeup and wearing a tight-fitting dress and heels one day, and then the other day you might just want to chuck on a jumper, but it's just doing it for yourself and not doing it to please anyone else.